this year, so it'll be if this year I rip my pants, it'll be on camera.
Oh my gosh, are you right?
What is this called, AJ?
Have fun, boys.
The stupid stick.
Oprah.
That's the Opro.
Oprah.
No, you're not carrying the Opro.
No.
Can we all fit in one car?
I think so.
Need to grab a child seat.
Probably.
You have a new seat. We're gonna use your old seat though, because it doesn't take as much room. Chris's car is singing. It's snowing. Snowing.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. You never know when something might happen.
They giving me the front seat. They better. I got food. Big truck, dude.
Yeah.
Look at this thing.
Yeah.
You have your own crane. Oh.
Nobody would want to speak that. Huh? Have what? Yeah, it does. Mine folds all the way backwards. Yeah, it's good. Yours was last year. Oh yeah, there's no more suicide.
What?
I want to find a truck I can ride.
You want a truck you can ride in?
Not even 657.
Which one? Come over here. We can get you up in the truck.
Truck, that's 350. Hell of a lot of fuel.
Come here. Can you see over the wheel? Now you can? Got that Copenhagen. This is nice.
Yeah.
Well, it's got that metering gate. So you got
break it up.
You got the twin paddles, and then
Have that this year. You guys exchange?
Daddy.
What?
trailers.
What?
Really start seeing it.
How do we go up?
How do we go up? We go around front. This guy got shot 3 times and it bounced off him.
Yeah, one thing about it is
It's like Superman. Except I think it cut into him a couple times.
wounded him a little bit.
So that's what happened to your
Yeah.
cousin?
Yep.
Your cousin?
You didn't hear about that?
No.
You got careful
Belt.
Chewed at it pretty good.
2 weeks ago. You got careful.
It hurts too.
I guess they have a electric car pressure washer.
No, you don't ride on this part. It all spreads. Doesn't look like a fun ride, does it?
There was a guy up in Michigan that was, no, it was Wisconsin, getting hookers. And he'd throw
He's
them
getting
in this
hookers?
thing, then he'd throw them in this thing and get rid of the bodies.
That's fantastic.
Feed it to the homes.
So this gets rid of hooker evidence.
Yes. Well, there was a guy that fell in our area, fell in this thing, and not in this, in one of these.
He survived?
No.
No.
No. There wasn't a body left.
Jeez.
Particles. Just backed the whole thing into a hole. Dumped it all out in the hole. Buried it. And just buried the whole mixer. They didn't want to deal with it.
Are you serious?
Daddy, I want to try it.
They didn't want to ever use it again.
Oh, okay.
I want to try it, Dad.
What about his family? Like they
Or when they left, closed casket. They just ran
Daddy,
the.
I want to
No, people get chopped up inside there.
See those blades in there?
See the blades?
They're really sharp.
They chop you into little bits.
Yep,
Wouldn't even
tiny
be able
ones.
to, wouldn't be able to recognize your finger.
Yep.
Danger.
It's work. Yeah. And it'd be nice to have an automated transfer on there, but
You got to have holding tanks. How often do we have to switch from corn to beans then?
it's not like it takes long.
The helicopter?
Oh.
Drone looking thing? Is that
There's
a
a bunch
sprayer?
of drones.
No, that's a propeller head.
That's they take video.
They take video?
So there's a whole bunch of different drone systems. So it'll actually track your crop growth.
Oh, okay.
So it can fly over, and when it takes that picture, it gives off, the plant gives off different heat signatures depending upon how well it's growing. The better it's growing, the different colors. So you can see what's growing well and what's not growing at all. And, so you can tell, like this year we would have known, you know what, it wouldn't have been worthwhile spraying fungicide. So spent a bunch of money on that, and we had a bunch of dead corn that wasn't going to grow anyway.
Mm-hmm.
So it was huge waste of it. That was the drawback. So if we would have known in advance, we just wouldn't have done it. But that's kind of a growing thing. But
Yeah.
we'll see what the FAA does too. So,
Oh, really?
yeah.
Oh, with the... Yeah, but I mean, it's not like they're...
They're not going to ban it, but I think you're going to have to go through a bunch of bullshit
Yeah.
to get them.
I'm sure you'd have to have some
Actually.
sort of training or...
A whole bunch of flight training. And
Keep up.
certifications. Basically pay a bunch of money.
Regulations that you have to go by.
Hello,
Mr. Popular over here. That's cool. Were those combines down there? What do they do? They poke people? Yeah.
Hi.
Okay, come on, buddy. Whoa. Whoa.
Now I'm going.
You gonna get down by yourself?
Yeah.
There's the step. Whoa. Boom. Where you going? Yeah.
I want to go somewhere cool.
Somewhere cool?
Yeah, I want to go on.
We will. Come on. Is that cool?
Yeah, boop.
What are you doing with those? Is that a rocket?
Who's crying?
Huh?
Who's crying?
I don't know. Shoot him. Shoot a rocket at him. You see the rocket button? Shoot a putt-putt at him? Oh.
I'm gonna turn off the lights.
Hey, Kevin. You couldn't take this to McDonald's.
Oh yeah.
Nuh-uh. Where are we gonna park? AJ, you wish you had one of these?
Yeah, and we're gonna park it outside
Where?
in the grass.
In the grass? What are we gonna use this for?
Get all the dirt out.
Where are we gonna? Why do we need to get the dirt out?
To make a pool for us.
A pool for us?
Yeah, I'm gonna make it.
You're gonna make it?
Yeah, because this is for only.
What shape is the pool gonna be?
Huh?
What shape is the pool gonna be? Are you gonna have a certain shape?
I'm gonna have a big rectangle.
Big rectangle pool?
Yeah. For everyone to get in.
So you want one of these?
A cup holder there.
There's a cup holder. That's a key necessity for when we're digging a pool, right?
This is a necessity.
Necessity.
Is that a necessity?
Yeah. Means it's a must-have. We gotta have it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe we can pay for it.
Maybe we pay for it.
Yeah.
How are you paying for it?
Yeah.
'Cause I'm not gonna be able to pay for it. Can you see me? No.
I see your eyeball.
You see my eye? Is it that close on me?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Out of nowhere.
It just popped up.
See? Target. Target. You're crazy.
Let me see.
No.
A little movie camera?
Yeah, it's a little GoPro.
So you're just holding. Oh, it's
Stick thing. I was filming AJ talking about all the tractors and they were all Batmobiles. So he's like, this one shoots the lasers. This one's the boosters. This is what makes it go forward. With the bad guys.
How much time did you go on that?
Quite a while. It's got 3 hours of film time on it still. I got chicken and waffles. Look at that.
Supposed to have my second by now, man.
I know.
Very strange.
Why am I very strange?
How do you tackle that?
Yeah.
So Jen got a little Stella. Is that light?
You see it? You see it?
Yeah.
It's quite the art project you got going on here.
I know.
I got rid of the little red blinking lights. What's he doing? Griffin. Hey.
Where's Daddy?
Griffin. Oh, well, he's trying to outdo everybody.
What, you said I was only do 16?
I did only 16. He didn't give me an option, really. He just like 16? Like, yeah.
I would probably say, yeah. He wouldn't have said 16.
He's probably like, you need to take it easy, bud.
4:30.
Yeah.
You're off the
You look like you're struggling a little bit.
And woke up a couple times between that and
Then I could be like, oh no, it's Irish red, it's natural.
I know what you mean. I'm like,
This happens as soon as I
As soon as alcohol touches the body, it's like, burn.
Like, just to be able to sleep in and not have to worry about somebody else, you know?
that'd be nice.
Are you ready to drive us home for St. Patty's Day?
So you gotta wait for Valentine's Day first. What are you in bed doing for Valentine's Day?
Watching The Walking Dead.
On Sunday, yes.
That is Valentine's Day.
Oh, that's right. Valentine's Day.
How's
Oh,
this?
so I don't even have to bring her anything on Saturday. That's good.
Yeah, it's Sunday.
Get her flowers.
I haven't got her anything yet. I was going to put her on Sunday. Something nice.
Like lube.
Funny story.
Oh, a story.
Kevin one day, he did some petroleum jelly or something. He looked us upstairs and he goes, to me and Adam, we were there over here. You guys have any KY? And we just kind of both stop and look. I'm like, what?
It's wondering. Maybe.
Petroleum jelly.
Needs something greasy.
Yeah.
Did you get something stuck?
I was like, this is really weird, Kev.
He didn't run down from his bedroom and ask. Hey, just wondering. Perhaps KY? Just a little. It grows naturally in Kentucky.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. It's KY jelly.
KY jelly?
Yeah. It's natural. It's natural from Kentucky.
Sweet.
It comes from the soul of the inbred. What? Where'd you get the pen from?
Dad, you're not going to have any ink after this.
Should we draw a picture on your hand
You're not
there?
going to have any ink after that.
No, yeah. Might need to buy a new ink pen.
Sage, are you done? Are you done?
Griffin. Don't do that. You got ink all over your mouth. You see your lips. Nope. You're good.
Oh, don't stick that in there now. That shit's still wet.
You're gonna wait for a little bit.
Drink some ink.
I wouldn't do that.
Put your lips on that. Put your lips on that.
You just drew on my hand. Here, let me see.
You're a girl and
Who's that? Who's your friend?
Abby.